For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Suraj Suresh. Well, over the past few months, once the pandemic has begun and the first ever case was reported, extensive studies were taken up across the globe to understand the characteristics of COVID-19. And not just that, also to understand what are the symptoms that people will be posing. Now, apart from that, there were also studies to understand what are the factors which can affect in the mutation process of coronavirus and how these factors can also affect the number of people who will be affected by COVID-19. Now, for the same reason, there was a study which was taken up regarding the weather, how the weather conditions can actually have an impact on coronavirus. Many studies have been done across the globe, but one recent study from our own land, our own country, that is from the Banaras University. A few of the biochemists have gone forward and they have studied the impact of weather on COVID-19. Well, to understand, these biochemists have gone forward. They have tried to understand regarding how the winter or the summer can have an impact on SARS-CoV-2. What was the result of this particular study, you may ask? Well, the result of this this study has shown that higher altitude, or the people who were staying in higher altitude across the world, they were infected with COVID-19 more than the people who were staying in lower altitude or places where it was much warmer. Now, they have also said that the researchers concluded that the cold environment may be an additional risk factor for SARS-CoV-2 as well. Now, it is seen that the disease spread more during the winters due to two of the reasons. One being that vitamin D, whenever you expose yourself to the sunlight, you will be taking in a lot of vitamin D as well. So that could help in boosting your immunity. That is one of the factors why people who are staying in a higher altitude or in cold areas, they contract the virus more. Now, the second reason also being that the weather is mostly dry during the winter season. So that is why that can also have an impact on the possibility of the virus staying on your skin itself, and that in turn can affect you or lead to you contracting this particular virus as well. Now, this is not the first ever study which was taken up. It was Harvard University which was the first one to take up this particular study. They studied the effect of temperature on COVID-19 and the effect of temperature on a body or a human body and how they react to coronavirus as well. Well, in this study, they studied from across countries, countries like China, Thailand, and several other countries. They took samples and they studied. Extensive study was also done. Now, apart from that, they also concluded that the weather does not have any side effects on coronavirus as well. Apart from that, in China, Wuhan, they took up studies and they studied how summer season or the summer can actually have an impact on COVID-19. And they said the optimum temperature of 19 degrees Celsius or humidity of 75 can actually lead to you contracting the virus more. Now, many of such studies being taken up across the world have shown that the debate is on for whether or not the temperature can actually have an impact on coronavirus and how a body can react to this. Even though 20 mutations have been seen with coronavirus, there are still possibilities that yes, weather can actually play a role. So now that we have entered the rainy season and in the coming months, we will be seeing winter as well. Probably the number of cases might spike. Even the MIT has said by the month of February, we'll be reporting close to 2.86 lakh cases every day in the year 2021. So probably the number of cases might rise. We are already seeing over 3 million cases across the world as well. So if this is the condition, then probably weather can have an impact on COVID-19 as well and on your body. Well, do keep yourself warm and do ensure that you are in a much warmer condition. Probably the study has not been proven yet. There are many contradictory studies, but in the coming days probably that will have an impact on your body as well. If you've liked this video, do hit the like button, share your comments in the comment section below, and subscribe to News9 Digital on all social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.